Money Magnet here, helping you make money online. You will be learning how to take advantage of Sephora affiliate marketing program. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button, and let's get into the video. In this video, I am going to be going through the process of becoming a Sephora affiliate marketing champion. The American retailer Sephora is a huge name in beauty and clothing industry. That is, one of the top retail chains has a large number of locations across the country that have a reliable rapport with its affiliates and clients. And so it goes without saying that the affiliate program that this business offers is simply fantastic. You will be able to maximize the potential of this network thanks to the rather generous commission rates compared to any other retailer affiliates such as Amazon affiliate program. Here is how to join Sephora's affiliate program. It is managed by Rakuten Marketing. You can use the link in the description to fill out the registration form. It takes a couple days to get reviewed and accepted. Rakuten as the company is able to track all your sales, impressions, and clicks on different affiliate networks. If you already are a part of Rakuten, just select Sephora as a program you want to join. Sephora staff will then review your application for appropriateness. Fashion and other beauty bloggers with a website should have no issues being accepted. Every product sold through an affiliate link by a Sephora affiliate generates a minimum commission of 5%. However, the commission rate could increase to 10% for select product categories. Once you get approved, for any Sephora product you will have unique affiliate links, banners, and other marketing materials that you can use to promote on whatever social media you prefer. One pro tip I would recommend is use TikTok influencers to create makeup tutorials, skincare routine reviews, gift guides, product comparisons, and haul videos using your affiliate links to get their audience to purchase. In addition, you can take the content you paid them to create and then cross-promote in different platforms such as Instagram pages with high following. Actually, once you are an affiliate, Sephora will send you free samples of any product you want to promote to try it and create content and promote it. This is huge benefit for your promotion campaigns. Let me know what you think about this program in the comments. What other tutorials would you like to learn from? Make sure to subscribe for more money-making videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.